So, I will introduce myself. My name is Ariel A. Magdayaras from BSBE FM1E. So, I will tackle about of simple interest. So, simple interest is the most base type of the interest and only the principal earn interest. So, how to find simple interest? This is the formula. I is equal to PRT. And what are these variable mean? I stand for simple interest. P is a stand for principal. R is a stand for rate. F is stand for final value, also known as accumulate, that's value or final repayment. So this final value, we are the principal value earn an interest which is can be present as F equal P plus I. These are the formula. So derived from the interest and the final value. And we'll use this formula to solve the following three examples. Example number 1. How long will it take Juliet earn an interest of 7,625 from 30,500 with 10% simple interest rate? So the question is how long will it take Juliet terms as interest? So ngayon hahanapin natin ang value ni long terms. So which the formula of the terms is T is equal I over PRT. So ngayon this is given. P is 30,500, I 7,625. So ang R naman natin ay 10% over 0.10. So, ngayon, isa-substitute natin. So, T is 7,625. So, over 30,500 times 0.10 equal 2.5 or 2 years and 6 months. So, number 2, example. Accumulate is a find of interest value of 1,500 at 6.25% for 90 days. So ngayon hanapin natin ang value ni F. F is a final amount. So ang I naman as interest. So ang ating given naman P is 1,500. Ang rate naman natin 0.06 T25. So ang time naman natin 90 over 360 equal 0.25. So walang nakalagay na exact interest problem. So ang ating term I equal to 0.25. So ang ating gagamitin para makuha ang interest value I equal PRT. So I equal PRT equal 1,500 over 0.625. 0.25 I equal 1,643.75. So para mahanap natin ang future value. So this is formula natin para makuha ang final value. I equal P plus I equal 1,500. So plus 1,643.75. So equal 1,843.75. So for example number 3, find the interest rate if Lala paid an interest of 6,089.04 on 8,700 simple interest loan after 8 months. So, ang ating given naman ay equal 6,089.04. Ang P naman natin equal 8,700
Ang T naman natin, so 8 over 12 equal 0.66. So, ang hahanapin natin na value is rate. So, ang magagamit natin na rate is equal I over PT. So, isa-substitute natin ang given. So, ang R equal 6,089.04 over 8,700, 0.66. So, equal 0.12 over 12%.